have two Kindi Kids. And I already have Marsha, Mello, and Peppermint. So now I'm gonna unbox Jessicake. So now let me open it. Whoa! Now let's get Jessicake out. Whoa! She is so cute. I'm gonna remove the sweets. Here, now let's get them out. So cute. Wow! These two are so cute. This is Jessicake, and this is what came out of the box. This is the sprinkles, and this is the cupcake. I'm so happy to have all these Kindi Kids. Yay, I'm so happy. Now let's play with her. Aw, you look so hungry. I'll make food for you. Okay, it's time to eat. Wow, she ate the cherry. Let's put it back in the cupcake wrapper. Now it's time to feed you, Peppermint. Strawberry, your favorite. Now it's chocolate. And now vanilla. Okay, now it's time to feed you, Marshmallow. Wow, she ate the cake pop. Now it's time to feed the baby Chino. Wow, marshmallows come out of the baby Chino. That is so cool. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.